Bring home a new refrigerator that is smart and energy efficient. Product and 10 years.
The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator. It features premium design, Fresh Max, stabilizer-free operation and Smart Connect inverter. The softly curved, round-top shape, and unique rounded design in pebble blue color add an elegant and stylish look to your kitchen. Its multi-utility door bin, Fresh Max, provides convenient plastic bag holders for more flexible storage space. Its inbuilt stabilizer-free operation protects the refrigerator by preventing electrical damage or shorting from voltage fluctuations. The Smart Connect inverter enables the refrigerator to run on home inverters during power cuts. Samsung found a new power source, solar energy. Samsung's range of Solar Connect refrigerators is powered by solar energy and runs on solar energy. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator.
Mr. Refrigerator was very upset. Whenever the electricity bill would be delivered, he would be on receiving end. If there were a long power cut, the fruits and vegetables inside would start screaming. And whenever felt that life was smooth, suddenly there would be breakdown. Then he was replaced with new LG Direct Cool Refrigerator, which has smart inverter compressor technology. It yields so much savings that in a few years, the entire cost of the refrigerator is made up for. Power cuts are not a problem anymore because this runs on the home inverter as well. operates smoothly whether the voltage is less or more. And this runs without a stabilizer, so the stabilizer installation charges of ₹1,000 not needed anymore. And when the compressor comes with a 10 years warranty, you can be rest assured that your refrigerator will go just on and on and on. Maximum shelf width, which makes for a comfortable space even for the biggest utensils. Toughened glass shelves that can store food items up to 175 kilos easily. Moist balance crisper that keeps food, fruits and veggies moist and fresh for a really long time. And this has the fastest ice tray, which makes ice in just 108 minutes, which means that now in your house party, ice and cold beverages would never run out of stock. Say goodbye to the age-old tussle of storing potatoes, onions and other extra vegetables, because this has a base stand drawer which gives you extra space for extra stuff. Antibacterial gasket which keeps the food absolutely bacteria safe. An extra large chiller tray, especially for dairy products and non-veg items. Premium designs and flawless finish that would surely leave you spellbound. And for you to never stop liking it and without running out of choice, we have added more to make the range of LG Direct Cool refrigerators widest in class. LG Direct Cool refrigerators with smart inverter compressor technology.